Okay, you guys, I'm gonna do a bow for this basket here. These tulips, beautiful 2.5-inch tulip ribbon, and we have this in several different colors. We have like a turquoise back with pink tulips. We have a white back with some pink tulips on it, but this yellow tulip did really, really well last year, and it's beautiful. So the tulips are going both ways. So I'm gonna make us a big bow on here, and I think I want some long streamers, don't y'all think? And we wanna do I think we want a big bow, so it's kind of floppy. I like lots of streamers and lots of texture here. Let's get us some. Fix that side in just a minute. Isn't that pretty?
And that would be pretty just by itself too.
Yes, it will be pretty just by itself. And this on a wreath, just putting this big bow on a wreath would just be gorgeous. Let's see, do we want to do another loop or two, guys?
I think that's good.
That's good? Okay, great. Love these big bows. Okay, and this is just some bunny ribbon. It's really cute, a baby blue bunny ribbon. And we also have this, and it's already cut in some strips. I'm gonna take all of these little strips and add them in here. And we also have this in a pink as well as this baby blue color with the little bunnies on it. Love this. Go make some loops and just some extra little tails with this. I've already got all these little strips cut. Get all those little danglies. And then we're gonna use this baby pink Dupani here that has a wire in it. Let's get some on this side. Since this bow's going on top, we want streamers on both sides. We want to just finish off with one loop right here on top. Else down to do this, because I just want to tie it on top of the basket. And this will make it easier, and it'll hide that zip tie a little bit. That funky zip tie. Just tying that little Chanel stem on there. We have these at tmigifts.com. We have these Chanel stems. Is that not pretty, you guys? Look at that on there. Let's clean up our ends on here. Dovetail them all. Got one or two here. Is that not pretty?
Mm-hmm.
All of the different lengths of your ribbons, all the different textures, the patterns. Love all of the different patterns on there. Look at this big long one here. Isn't that gorgeous there? Just curl that out and